The market is heating up as we head into the summertime. We've seen the average sale price of homes soar this year so far. It's increased over 19% from May of last year. Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team, bringing you the May Lehigh Valley Real Estate Update. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay up to date on the real estate market throughout the Lehigh Valley. In 2020, the average sale price in May was $238,467, and in 2021, the average sale price was $284,293. Although the prices have increased, we have continued to see a deep dip in the month supply of homes, dipping an entire 60% from 2 months to 0.8 months. Even still, people need to buy and sell, so the number of closed sales has jumped from 323 homes in May of 2020 to 649 homes in May of 2021. That is a 100.9% increase. Additionally, pending sales have followed suit and increased 82.9% from 514 homes all the way up to 940 homes. The number of new listings is slowly creeping upward. A 36.4% increase takes us from 729 homes last year to 984 homes this year. Let's hope that increase continues, because the current number of homes available have taken a 46.1% dip from 1,238 homes to 667 homes. The low inventory combined with motivated buyers have decreased the days on market from 35 days to only 15 days, which is a 57.1% decrease. Things may be looking up for the Lehigh Valley, so to stay informed about trends in the local real estate market, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.